Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, and it's Tuesday, May 2nd, a little after 9 o'clock, a couple minutes late. Had an issue with the bathroom. Toilets are all messed up and broken. Gotta have a plumber come in. See, when you own your own place, gotta fix everything. Just like a boat. Jeez, boats cost so much. You know what I'm saying? Got a boat, boats cost a lot to maintain. Market's looking weird, like it is every day. Nice, so we have the MOJO Day Trade team right here. I got a couple messages from my traders I gotta check out. Chat's on block. Thanks, man. See, I don't have the permissions set up. I gotta get the screen share set. You can send messages now. Done. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Glad someone messaged me by, hey, I'm glad someone messaged me by 9:30, you know what I mean? All you gotta do is send me a private message. Junior finally did. Pretty crazy. Morning. Yo would have sat there blocked. I'll get the screen share going. This is a live screen share that everybody gets to see me. On YouTube is delayed 10 to 15 seconds. In my room, it's completely live, which really matters in day trading. I'll show you why, how the seconds matter. Let me just set up my screen. All right, the screen's now live. My screen's live, that works. Good morning, everybody. We got this guy 11's in the room. It's not even a free day, but he's here. So we'll give him a chance. Good morning. We have some nice stocks on the radar, folks. Let's show you what's going on. So we have, let's see here. Some swing picks are doing good. Rite Aid, RAD was a new pick that was added coming up yesterday. See that? That's my pick. I've been bullish on Rite Aid. A couple of other ones in the swing. Let me take a look at the model right here and go to the MOJO Day Trading website. Check it out. So if we go to the MOJO site, I can look at my swing, go over here to the swing trades, log into the model right there, and boom. So here we got some pretty nice action on the model portfolio. The top ships is off there. It just went down too much, so Y10 got triggered. So what happens is, see the trigger price at 62 cents? That's where you want to buy that thing. Actually, you'll see top ships is just so off. It's got to be triggered at 30. It's at 22. I'm not even dealing with that. So, and we sold dry ships for a loss of 30%. I wasn't going to do it at 130. I was going to do it at 125. I'm like, I'm done with it. So we're done. APRI even on. These are right here, 116, 144, and you could see these stocks. They all got. What happens is they get triggered, and I have to adjust this up. So I'll show you Y10. Yesterday, it triggered right here. It went to 93 cents yesterday, which was Y10. So that has to be updated off the watch, and looked at the notes and updated. Gerardo and a couple of traders did really nice on that pick. Then we have APRI. 113. I think this got triggered yesterday at 116. APRI 116 didn't get triggered. It's got to go through that. EVLV right here has to get triggered at $1.44. And it's right here. So this one probably will get triggered today. Delt triggered yesterday through $3 right there at 278 to 305. Cafe Press 285. I'm expecting a really nice move out of this because some internet stocks are up doing nice. So Cafe Press, I really like this stock here at 294. Has not triggered yet, but it will. C-Bio at 547 right here, which is triggering right now at 545. It's nice. And FSNN, these are all the swings. Right here at $1.60, $1.58 on FSNN. It's got a trigger at 166. It's not there yet. And Gevo's got a trigger at 107. Right here on Gevo, which is at 104, and Rite Aid triggered at 412, and Rite Aid's 422. So Rite Aid triggered right there at 412. We have Y10 triggered yesterday at 62 cents. It's actually up a little bit more. It was at 65. And that's it, and Rite Aid triggered. So I picked nice 10 stocks, and once they go up 3%, they usually go higher, so they trigger at 3%. Can't do all 10. It's like you pick 10 horses in the race. As soon as watch 10 horses, 3 of them will long-term picks, so you only have to watch 7. And then you categorize them, because I did. And then you set a watch on them. And then as soon as they start to run in the morning, you're like, oh, look at that horse running. Look, it's up 3%. Okay, jump aboard the horse, ride it to the finish line, and go collect your reward. It's pretty easy. And that's what we did with the swing trade. It was real nice. That's what we got. So this is a model portfolio that all the swing newsletter people have. It's a good little thing. Absolutely. Yo, you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is click that little heart down here right on the screen. Click that heart, the yellow heart. Click on it. Click right on your screen. Go ahead. Subscribe and you'll get alerted every time that I do my live videos. Every time. Another thing that I have coming up is my webinar right here. So I'll talk to you a little bit about the webinar in a minute though. Let me just get back to the screens. Looking at some stocks. I got a couple of stocks that I'm rosy at. See this BDSI? Let me show you the importance of time. First of all, I noticed some strange things this morning. First of all, you see how it did a mistrade at 219 when the ask was only 210? And this guy coming in right here, and I've noticed a notorious situation. In the mornings pre-market, there are these big players that come in and buy these big lots of shares. It traded at 141,000 at 8 o'clock and 36 seconds. And at 8 o'clock and 57 seconds, he's getting filled on the bid. He's buying. Then he ups it and gets more at 8:01:16. Then it goes 225. He ups it even more. He's really collecting some stocks. So I'm joining him at the bid, buying at 205. And that's the time thing of happens. Delay of 10 or 15 seconds. You wouldn't even see these guys over here. And the importance of trading level 2 is immense for day traders. How can you look at a chart? A chart's for swing traders. So I have some cool things on the website, guys, that I added. I have, if you check this out,
Do you want to learn the secrets traders are using to make money trading the stock market?
Webinar.
A home-based business with
Right
financial
there.
security. MOJO Day Trading is looking for a new group of entrepreneurial
Click
minded
right
people
on your
to join
screen,
stock
guys.
market day trading.
If you want to register for this webinar right here, click right on the video. If you want to register right there, click on the screen. Click May 10th and you'll register for the May 10th. If you want to register at May 11th at 8 o'clock, and you'll learn how to day trade for a living. You'll become the next pro trader. Pick the date that best fits your schedule. Click right on the screen. It's Eastern Standard Time. After registering, you'll get an email with full details. So click on the 11th to register then, or on the 10th to register then. And you'll really get action with the webinar action. How's that working, Pro Trader Ant? You like that? I'll check it out, Vivek. What's up, Trader Khalid? So I have a new thing on the website I want you to check out. If you go to right here. So if we go to, let's see, go to the watch list, which everybody should have bookmarked every day. I have on the watch list dry ships at 108. It's at 108. UVXY at 13. It's 1310. BDSI at 205. It's at that price. PRAN at 280. I like that. And NXTD at 195. It's 207. I have these advanced charts, so check this out. This is all real time, guys, on my site. Right here, so you could put in any stock. You want to watch BDSI. Right here, here's BDSI, and you could switch from the one day right here, and you can go between time intervals. Time interval, I can go 1 week, 1 month. There's the 1 month, and I can get my prices and all that great stuff. And here's all the news right to the right of that on BDSI. Some studies you could draw, you can brush, you can zoom in, you know what I'm saying? And then you can draw some trend lines like this on the chart. And you can use my watch list right here, and then you could put these stocks in, and then you can check out them charts if you want. It's all real time. And then I got some nice research sites, Yahoo and FinViz, Financial Visualization, and Bloomberg, and stock charts. If there's a difficult stock you can't find, Stockhouse has them smaller ones. Short Squeeze tells you the short interest on the stocks. Kit goes for gold, and Options Calculator, if you do options, is a really cool tool as well. So this is a really nice page that you could utilize for your day trading. Tag with Mojo and use that page. And then if you're bored, go check a look at the comics. This was Sunday's comic. Obama. Being retired is great. I'm making more money in a week trading with Pro Trader Mike and the Mojo team than I did as president for a whole month. Amazing, right? Obama, Llama, right? And amazing, right? Nice, right? Command Security. That's our stock. Check that out for you. MOC. 270,000 on MOC. Bob, I saw this Sunday in my research. I sure did. Took a big jump this morning. Hope you're not stuck in it. What do you own it at, 11s? Nothing? What do you want to own it at? I got that stock. That's one of my 10 slimmers. You want to see it right here? Here's my 281. Hey guys, I gave you this stock in January, man, to break out of this base right here. Come on. I mean, I'm the greatest guy in the world. Oh yeah. That's what this guy did in his newsletter. the stock did a buyout, and he's like, I gave it to you 4 months ago, don't you remember? I picked it, I said there's a good buyout on that. But Command Security only has 9.8 million in the float. Nice last quarter here earnings. They do security for commercial and aviation with NXTD. Both of them are in a tag along. Here's NXTD right here. And NXTD does the similar thing, because I own them both. Here's NXTD. They develop mobile app smart wallet designed for physical replacement of cards in airports. Another 6.5 small floater with earnings on a bottom bouncer on NXTD. Oh, I gave you that one too, but it's at $2. Just waiting to see if it jumps at the bell. Ching, ching, ching. Nice. How about VII? That was my other one. May do a tag along with VII. Right here, see VII on the daily right here. It did good yesterday on 123, 45 center. This used to be a big one too. That's what we do. What's going on, pro traders? Got the traders filling in the room. Look, guys, this is the MOJO Day Trade room. We have 55. They're coming in now. Pro traders that all make a living out of their home office day trading stocks in the MOJO Day Trade room, waiting for my picks. I have not already bought a stock. I'm gonna tell the room, oh, you know, you gotta buy it. It ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen, folks. Nice. See bios 49 going by. So guys, there's not a bunch of moderators in here. There's one. I don't give out picks to my buddies, and then we give them to the room and we all make money. It's not really the way to do it, okay? It's not really the way. There's other rooms that do that. See, other rooms are having problems now. If you look at the other rooms, I haven't had a losing day in the stock room, chat room, for over 4 years. Not one losing day from my members. Pro Trader Allen is on a win streak right now for 2.5 years. Hasn't lost one day in the stock market trading. Pro Trader Allen. Okay? Other rooms, these guys are losing all the time. Losing big. Oh, I gotta rechange my strategy. Oh, I gotta rethink this. Oh, I'm gonna put some share restrictions on my account. I'm gonna lower it down. I'm gonna all this bullshit, because your front running systems and things like that just don't work no more. And there's a lot of day trade rooms out there that do that. There's actually, every time I go on Twitter and I see trader next to somebody's name, they have their own day trading chat room. Well, good luck trying to build that. Good luck. It's a bunch of horse poop. You better believe it. So there's a lot of rooms out there that do a lot of spending money for marketing. MOJO doesn't really spend any money for marketing. Everything I do is organic. And I build as I grow along. For every 10 that come in, 8 leave, and I grow by 2. I'm a little snail. But 56 pro traders, there'll be 60 or 70 in here by 9:30, 9:15 that all make a living day trading. Most of them have been with me for more than 2 to 3 or 4 years, and they're all pretty much lifetime members. And that's what we do, and there they all are. And then we have these traders down here that are going to become pro traders, and then we have 11s, which is an observer. And we got my bots, which help me control the room. Little poop. Little poopy. Little poopy. Little poop, come on. There we go. There we go. How to get the little thing little bug out of its poop, out of its butt. 927, boys. We're gonna shake it today. Oh yeah, just like this, Gerardo. Oh yeah. Can you believe VRX is $9.95? It hasn't stopped. Can you believe it, man? I'm like frizzle dizzle dazzle. I'm frizzle dizzle dazzled. I can't believe it. Just one thing I ask of you. Come on now, VRX. How do you go up so much every day since I picked you at 831? Now you're $10 Heinzing. I guess I'll have to play you for some catch up. Signal at 1028, but some more at 952. Shake it. This stock later in the day, BDSI, is going to be a beast. They're buying a lot of stock in this range for some reason. We noticed that last week's on them stocks. Command Security, nice, 295. These stocks are like Varingo, has a history of like spark up dying, little Kramer action, putting $1 million into it to sell $5 million worth of this little piece of crap. Sacrifice some shares for the group. That's what the big boys do. Sacrifice the shares for the group. First trade of the day is not always the best one. Maybe the second and the third usually is the best. These other rooms are stopping, or dude, that system doesn't work no more. In 15 minutes, you're done for the day. We don't do that in the MOJO Day Trading room anymore. We trade all day long, guys. Doing 25, 30 trades, specializing in ETF trading. That's what we do. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. We're going to go trade. I'll see you later. All right, here we go, guys. We're off.